Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Deckway again with Mobile Nations, and I'm here tonight to give you some more KeyOne content. I know a lot of you out there are probably wondering what the typing experience is like and how good the physical keyboard is on the KeyOne. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's great, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a demonstration on how well you can actually type with this. So I went out to the Android Play Store and I downloaded an app. It's called Typing Test. It's free, and it gives you an opportunity to do a typing test so you can see how good you are and how fast and your accuracy and all that stuff. So we're going to start up the typing test here, and what's going to happen is it's going to wait for me to start, and as soon as I start typing, then it's going to keep track. So this is a 1-minute typing test on the KeyOne. Ready, set, and go. Okay, and that's the end of the 1 minute, so let's get through the ad here and see how I did. Got off to a little bit of a slow start, but even after that I still managed to pull off 49 words per minute, total of 52 words typed with only 2 errors. That's 94% accuracy. So as you can see, it's pretty darn accurate. It offers effectiveness and precision, especially with that tactile physical keyboard. And along with the app, you can check your progress and see your test history so you can keep track. So I've managed 49, 53, 55, 57 words per minute. So consistently across the board, it's got an excellent typing experience. Of course, I can't guarantee these results for you because it's going to be you typing it, but this is just some of the capabilities that this awesome keyboard has. Well, that's all I have for tonight. I hope you can get your hands on a KeyOne soon and go ahead and test it out and see how you do with the keyboard. For now, that's it. If you have any questions, leave any comments down in the comments section. I'll get back to you. Have a good night. Thanks.